Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using Zelle. Zelle is a digital payment network that allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US. You can access Zelle directly through your banking app, or if your bank doesn't offer Zelle integration, you can download the Zelle app. It's a convenient way to quickly transfer funds to friends, family, or even small businesses. Registration is generally straightforward, linking directly to your debit card or bank account. While the service is typically free to use, always double-check with your financial institution to ensure there are no hidden fees. One of Zelle's key features is its speed. Transfers often happen almost instantaneously, which is a significant advantage over traditional methods like writing checks or even some other online payment platforms. This makes it perfect for splitting bills, paying back a friend for dinner, or even making quick payments to small businesses or service providers. However, it's crucial to remember that because of this speed, transactions are typically irreversible. Sending money to the wrong person or accidentally sending the wrong amount can be difficult to rectify. Always double-check the recipient's information before confirming a payment. Security is a primary concern with any financial transaction, and Zelle takes several steps to protect users. They employ encryption and monitoring to help safeguard against fraud. However, it's your responsibility to ensure you're only sending money to people you trust. Since transactions are generally final, there's limited recourse if you are scammed. This is why Zelle emphasizes sending money only to individuals you know and trust. Avoid using Zelle for transactions with strangers, especially when buying goods or services online. It's simply not worth the risk. Zelle offers a user-friendly experience with a simple interface, whether you're using it through your bank's app or the standalone Zelle app. The setup process is generally seamless, and sending or receiving money usually just requires a few taps. While it offers a convenient way to handle person-to-person payments, remember to exercise caution and only use the service with trusted contacts. Zelle's speed and convenience are valuable assets, but responsible usage is key to a positive experience.